In this video right here, man, I'm gonna show you the best way to do the plastic bag method, man. Even if you got 360s, 540s, 720s, it don't matter. Stay tuned, man.
Gang, 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 gang. I do this shit for the game. I didn't get in this for fame. Nigga ain't taking my chain. I'ma stand firm on my name. They say you get money, you change. I got no money and stay the same. I'm trying to stay in my lane.
What's good, North Guys Gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all the best way to do the plastic bag method, man. I know a lot of y'all probably like,
Drizzle,
You do the plastic bag method all the time.
we already done seen you do it.
no, y'all haven't seen me do it, man. In my videos, I don't really never do the official way of doing the plastic bag method. So that's what I'm gonna show y'all in this video right here, man. So let's get into it, man. Gang. Okay, man, hey, the tools you're gonna need for this, man, is a plastic bag, of course.
Hey man, this right here is a little cheap little plastic bag straight out of Walmart. You already know how we rockin'. It ain't gotta be nothing expensive. It's great value right here, man. Let's get it.
Like, it wouldn't be no plastic bag method if you ain't got no plastic bag. For real, them big facts. And the next thing you gonna need, man, some oil.
Okay, when it come down to oils, man, y'all know I fuck with that castor oil. Hey, and the reason why I love castor oil so much is because it's good for dry scalp. And it also has 7 natural oils in it, you feel me? And it don't do no build-up, you feel me? So, hey, castor oil.
I know y'all tired of seeing this little oil, man. But it look, hey, this little don't last a long time, boy. That castor oil, man, this gotta be one of my favorite oil, man. But I know y'all tired of that one. I'm gonna use this. The herbal oil, man. You already know what's going on, man.
Hey, when it come down to that herbal oil, man, I rock with that herbal oil, cause just like that castor oil, it have a blend of natural oils, you feel me? And they say you can use it on your skin, but nah, I ain't fucking with that, you feel me? Been on had chicken pox.
So yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Waves. Waves. Yeah. Like, I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so 80, baby. I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so wavy. I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so 80, baby. Like, I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so 80, baby. Yeah, pull up in the Mercedes. Yeah, hop up in the Mercedes, baby. I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so 80, baby. I'm so 80, baby. Man, I'm so 80, baby. Like, pause. I got it. Man, I got it. She just wanna hop on top and then ride it. Flyer than Houston and ride on this rocket like, hey. Euro out in euros, spending euros. In cabanas, I be eating churros. Gotta keep the women by the plurals. No, it's hard. It's 2x2. Bring the wood like a 2x2, man. Who brought you? Thought you knew. I'm not new, but I make the news. Spitting the truth.
Okay, so when you doing the plastic bag method, you can do it between you switching brushes. Like, I might start off with my medium hard or hard brush or whatever. Get down with that, hit it with the plastic bag. I hit it with the medium, then I hit it with the plastic bag. Hit it with the soft, hit it with the plastic bag. But when I hit it with the soft, I'm gonna do what I'm about to show you right now. So we're gonna pretend like I just hit it with the soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my plastic bag, right? You wanna grab your oil, whatever oil you wanna use for this. I'm gonna grab the herbal oil. And what you wanna do, pop it. I just splashed some oil, but yeah, pop the top on that guy, you feel me? And just pour a little oil in there. Oh
man.
Put a little too much, man, you feel me? So once you got that oil in there, what you wanna do? You wanna rub the bag and spread the oil all over the bag, right? Spread it all over the bag. Now you got the bag oily, right? This the last session now. Last thing you want to do before you rag up. You got that oil sprayed on up. Now you just want to rub it on your head. Just rub it on your head. Just like so. Woohoo! Do that for 5 or 10 minutes. Whenever you think your hair has fully laid down. So I'm gonna hit it with a plastic bag real quick. So let's get it. Ooh, woo! Well, y'all see it. So once you hit it with that plastic bag, man, you feel like your hair laid down, man. What you want to do? You want to throw your silky on, man, or whatever do-rag you got, man. I just prefer the silkies, man. So yeah, we're gonna throw your rag on, man. Don't forget to tuck your strap. And you wanna unwind your do-rag, man. You don't want no do-rag line, man. Goddamn, do-rag line so thick in your forehead, like somebody don't slap your ass with a rope. Boom! And it's out of here. Nah, man, hey, it's that simple, bro. You feel me? I'ma wait about 2 hours. About an hour or two, you feel me? And we're gonna come back and unwrap, show y'all what we looking like. Yeah, so stay tuned.
A few moments later.
And for y'all thinking I ain't know my goddamn glasses were dirty, bro, I knew, man, you feel me? I just can't find my little towel, the white that got out with, man, so I'm just gonna keep it a whole 1,000 with you, bro, you feel me? I'm thugging out here, man, you feel me? Thugging out here, boy. Where y'all?
1 hour later.